Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the BraunAbility manual fold-out ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You will first open up the door and then you can pull the ramp out. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. And in the middle, you will have a jump seat that will fold out of the way. Now that the seat is folded out of the way, you can have the wheelchair user in the middle here. In the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And this van here only has 24,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring in the ramp. We use the same handle here to lift up the ramp. Fold it like so, and then close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. Back here you will have room for some storage, and as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. And on top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and turn on the van. So this van here has 24,000 miles. And here is the view of the front. Then here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.